If you're pursuing a personal injury case in Idaho, a question that often arises is why does the claimant have to submit to an examination by a doctor chosen by the defendant? The reason that they have to do that, of course, is actually dictated by a specific Idaho rule of civil procedure that allows the defense to be given an opportunity to have the claimant, the person injured, examined by a medical doctor of their own choice, so that they are put in a position where they can defend against your claim and not necessarily agree with everything you're saying about what injuries you're claiming to have and the like. And it's basically the rule is there for the prospect of a defendant being given an opportunity to have a full and fair understanding of what the injuries actually are, and so that they are in a position of presenting a trial, whatever that is, that they think is adverse to what the plaintiff's doctors are testifying about, or the claimant's himself or herself are testifying about. I mean, that's kind of the reason for the rule. I mean, I think you should understand that at its heart, when somebody makes a claim for a lawsuit, a personal injury lawsuit, they are putting their medical condition at issue in that case, so that each side, anytime somebody is putting something at issue in a case, each side has the opportunity to explore that particular issue and offer their own perspective of that particular issue. In this case, we're talking about a medical issue and why the defendants have a right to have an independent medical exam. That's what the defense typically has the right to do, but there has to be some justification for it. There has to be some, at least, dispute over what the medical condition is. And so, if you're in a situation where you're concerned with being in the doctor's office that's not a doctor of your own choosing, that's when you need a big legal team on your side working for you, so that you can be prepared for such a thing when it happens, or can avoid such a thing if necessary. So if you have a situation where you're pursuing a claim and you're concerned about that, you should be seeking legal advice from the best legal team you can find that actually has the experience of dealing with these so-called independent medical exams, and otherwise pursuing the claim through jury trial. And our firm has all that experience, and we've been around doing this stuff for more than 60 years. I myself have been doing it for more than 30. And have a track record of success. So if you have such a situation, please feel free to call me anytime to discuss it further, or any of the other lawyers in our law firm, any of them, because we all do the same type of work and all have a similar level of experience. We have a lot of legal horsepower here, in other words. So please, if you're in that situation, call us anytime.